Welcome. If you're looking to add an extra layer of security to your Telegram account, enabling auto lock is one of the simplest and most effective steps you can take. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the updated process so you can secure your chats in just a few taps. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version so all features appear as they should. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll either see the familiar menu icon, the 3 horizontal lines, or your profile picture. Tap it to open your main menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the key options related to your safety, like 2-step verification, blocked users, and session management. Now, scroll a little further until you find the option labeled Passcode Lock. Tap on it. Here, you'll be asked to set a passcode if you haven't already. Enter a passcode that's strong but easy for you to remember. Once you've confirmed it, several new options will appear, including Auto Lock. Tap on Auto Lock to choose how long Telegram should stay active before automatically locking itself. You can pick a duration ranging from 1 minute to an hour, depending on your personal preference. If privacy is your main concern, choosing a shorter time frame is better. After selecting your preferred time, exit the menu. That's it, your auto lock is now active. From this point on, whenever Telegram detects inactivity for the set duration, it will automatically lock the app and require your passcode to reopen it. This feature helps protect your private messages, photos, and group chats, especially if you often hand your phone to others or use public devices. It's a small adjustment that provides big peace of mind. Now you know how to enable auto lock on Telegram. Keep your account secure and your conversations private with this simple but powerful setting.